What is going on, everybody? Thank you for clicking on this video today and welcome back to Homes with Shields. This afternoon we are going to be walking the one and the only Greenbrier plan. The Greenbrier is actually one of our 5 beautiful models that we have set up here in Burlington. You definitely want to come out here and take a look, get with me about setting up an appointment. The Greenbrier is 2,219 square feet on the bottom level. We've got 1,423 square feet up top for a total of over 3,600. Yes, you heard that right, 3,600 total square feet today. All right, absolutely incredible wraparound front porch. This plan is just one of a kind, it really is. You're just not gonna see modular homes, really any type of home, look like this. This is an absolute beauty. So let's get in here and take a look. As you can see, we've got this beautiful brick staircase, nice 8-foot wide staircase leading up to that wraparound porch, and it's capped off by this absolutely insane, beautiful double French door there. Really nice detail. So yeah, this porch actually goes the length of the house and wraps around a little bit here. You can use this wraparound space to add back to the actual, heated and cooled square footage, which I'll get into a little bit more as we go. Just an absolutely ridiculous front porch. Super nice. People do love this dark gray siding. It is one of Nationwide's premium colors, but it is really nice. Capped off by the white lineals, white gutters and downspouts today, all that white trim, just kind of tying everything in. All right, let's get in here and take a look. Just an absolutely insane main space here. I have walked a ton of modular homes in my day, and I mean, this main space is just one of a kind. Very, very unique. Really good space here. All right, so I'm gonna run through a few of the options today that are kind of unique that you don't see a lot of. Number one, that double French door we sell a lot of. Notice the casing around the doors and windows, that old craftsman style casing today. We took out the included 4 1/4 crown and went with the much thicker, I think it's 6 1/4 crown molding there. Just a nice little touch that you can add to any house. I mean, but look at this, absolutely beautiful. And we've even got it decorated for Christmas. Christmas in July, right? All right, so let's get into this kitchen. Number one, people love this island. And I guess what I want you to know is I can get this exact shaped island in any house, but people do love it. You are seeing the granite tops today. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. I do have people from time to time want to work in the double window over the sink. I do want you to notice that beautiful transom window over this particular double window. Really, really pretty. You are seeing the black hardware package in today's walkthrough. So your knobs, your hinges, your shower heads, your water faucets, all that stuff is going to be black. Here you're seeing an example of the mounted microwave instead of the range hood. It's actually vented out of the house too. So that's really nice. Beautiful backsplash. Got your white cabinetry today. Pull-out trays in a lot of the cabinets in this display home. We've also got the pull-out trash bin in the island. All the cabinetry, of course, is going to be the full extension, soft closed, dovetail construction, all that good stuff. All right, let's get over here into the dining area. So you are seeing the atrium door there, capped off by a 6-foot transom window. That is one of our optional chandeliers that we offer. Notice the chair rail molding, really nice detail that you don't see a lot of anymore. You are seeing the optional 5-panel doors. This is your water heater closet in today's video. You have seen this exact floor plan using this space for a pantry. So I can put that under the house, in the garage, other places, and we can actually use this for a pantry space. So you've seen videos with that, or if you've got a basement, that can be used as the basement access. Notice the coffered ceiling over the island. Just so much detail in this home. It is just truly one of a kind. Now, one thing I wanted to tell you about too, we are the only place where you can get this Greenbrier plan. This is actually a plan that's been discontinued from Nationwide for a long time. But because we have it as a model and because we are their #1 builder, they do honor us by still offering this particular plan for us. So you got your spot for your washer and dryer, recessed dryer vent, your included organizational system there. Got a little card there advertising my YouTube channel. That's me, Shields McEwen. My email is shields, SHIELDS, at @nccustommodulars with an S.com. Here we worked in the hall tree option. You can do half of that with a sink, freezer space, whatever, dog showers, all that good stuff is in play for the utility room, of course. And then back out to the main space. So basically, you know, why, a lot of people ask, why is this house so deep? You know, what is giving this house this much depth? This is basically a 3-piece house. So you've got a section here, you've got this middle section here, and then this third and front section actually includes that factory porch. So that insanely big wraparound front porch is actually included in this plan. It's built into the rafters in the ceiling, the trusses and all that. So that is kind of what is giving you this extra depth. So you'll hear me kind of refer to it as a 3-piece home that includes a factory front porch. Whereas most of my videos, we literally have to add the front porch onto the house on site. Okay? So over here, off the left, you got 2 entrances into the left wing of the house. You've seen videos where they've closed one, added a fireplace here, all that kind of stuff. But on this side, you've got 2 bedrooms, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and then you've got bath 2 over here as well. Tons of random storage in this house, like for instance, this closet here, a great storage closet. I would call it a linen closet, but bath 2, notice the granite tops, the black framed mirrors, transom window over bath, over the tub shower combo. I would have called that hallway closet the linen closet, but you have a true linen closet in here as well, which is sneaky deep. So tons of storage, like I said. So one thing we did in our model is the interior transom windows over the office and bath 2. Really nice touch. Let's check out these spare bedrooms. I'm going to drop down. I'm going to have the size of these bedrooms pop up in the video. You'll see that. A little bit unique closets here as far as the way they're accessed with these double sliding doors. You know, you could put double swinging doors or whatever there, but just a nice way to access and be able to use all of the space in the closet there. right. Bedroom 3. And as you can see, the first of the spare bedrooms had a double window. This doesn't have a double window, but it's got 2 single windows. So tons of natural light, kind of going again with that sliding door for the closets there. All right, and then on to the office space. So here's that secondary entrance into this wing of the home. Now, this really is the flex room. So as you can see, we're showing this as an office space, okay? Got the built-in desk. The porch quite literally wraps all the way around this room. Basically, what I tell people when I'm showing this house to them is you can blow this window to the edge or that window to the edge or both windows to the edge to create or get this room as big as you want it to. So some people, let's just look at the floor plan here. Some people will take this line and extend it over, so we're quite literally only eliminating the wraparound cavity but keeping the straight full porch. Some people take this line all the way down and, use all of this space to create a 4th bedroom or secondary den, okay? So I believe this is the Greenbrier 2 on our site. It's basically just showing you losing this portion of the porch to add that space. And like I said, you could just extend that area or extend both areas to create the full additional room there. All right. But I will say, with all the people working from home now, get a lot of homeschool people, the office has been a big hit. So let's go across this main space and check out the master bedroom. Really nice master suite. You're gonna love this. On the way, oh yeah, another storage closet. And it's a big one too. All right. Just an insanely big master suite here. And as you can see, we've got the double closet system going on. Let's check out this one here. The same principle goes for this side of the house as far as the wraparound porch. I have had people, eliminate just the wraparound cavity here and extending that closet to the end of the porch here to make that one just absolutely enormous. At that point, you can get away with eliminating the smaller one there or keep both, whatever. Some other popular things in here. A lot of people like to split these windows, one on each side. That way the bed can fit right in between the two. Obviously, we added the coffered ceiling, which is absolutely beautiful. All right, and then the master bath. So in this particular bath, you're seeing that large 4x8 shower. Check out the lighted mirrors, absolutely beautiful. Granite tops throughout in today's video, so even the bathrooms have granite in them. Beautiful transom window up there, letting in natural light. I love the built-in bench there. Really nice touch. And then last but not least, your water closet. Has a vent and its own light. With Nationwide, all the trims are real pine, not MDF. The blinds are optional, but they're very affordable. A lot of people do add them. All right, let's check out the upstairs. So, like I said there at the beginning, we've got just over 1,400 square feet alone upstairs, over 2,200 on this bottom level for a total of 3,600. And this main space is just truly one of a kind. I feel like I've said that 100 times this video, but it really is. All right, let's go up here and take a look. This is one of my favorite shots of the house here. A great entertaining house. I mean, I can't imagine entertaining here with that big open concept like that. Be really nice. All right, upstairs. This is probably the biggest upstairs I have ever seen. You know, the fact that this house is 3 modules deep kind of adds to this, you know, the depth of this upstairs. This house is 64 across. I mean, I have tons of houses that are this wide across, but this one is a little deeper than normal. You are seeing the radiant bearing heat sheathing lining our roof today. It's going to keep attic temperatures down, going to keep the house cooler, more efficient, all that good stuff. Here I'm just kind of showing you what the dormers do as far as floor space, natural light. They add a lot to a upstairs for sure. You can also see the 2x6 wall here. So as you know, a lot of our stuff, most of our stuff is 2x6 walls these days, exterior walls. So this model, as you just saw, was built with 2x6 exterior walls, not those 2x4s that site builders are using. All right. So this was the Greenbrier 1. It's set up here at our location in Burlington, 2450 North Church Street. So we have 5 models set up here, and basically what you do is you come see us. I give you a tour. We show you different options online, and then you say, "Look, Shields, I'm ready to build something on my land," and we kind of go through it and design it. And we are a turnkey builder, from well, septic, clearing, driveway, porches, decks, permitting. We do it all. So I will walk you through step by step on how to get you in a new house. And don't think you have to be at a certain point to come see me to get the ball rolling. I don't need you to be pre-approved. I don't really need it. You can be anywhere in the process, guys. And Carolina Custom Homes, me, Shields, will be glad to kind of pick up the pieces wherever you are in the process and make your dream a reality. Thank you guys for all the views, all the subscriptions. Take care.